Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stream Netflix on Discord. You need to take 3 steps. First off, you want to open your browser. For me, it is Google Chrome, and we'll go to these 3 dots right here and click on settings. From here, we want to search for hardware and make sure this option use hardware acceleration when available is turned off. It is going to make you relaunch your browser. Now we need to repeat this step for Discord as well. Open up your Discord application, go to user settings, scroll down to the advanced, and here you want to uncheck this option as well. It is going to restart your Discord application. Now there is the very last step which we need to take in order to stream Netflix on Discord. We want to go to user settings again, and this time we want to go to registered games. You probably won't see this Google Chrome, but you need to click on edit, and here you want to select Google Chrome if it is not showing for you. So for example, I'm gonna click edit, and then you can see Google Chrome pops up. Click on add game. It should say Google Chrome now playing. So if we were to test it right now, I'm just gonna join this call. So I'm going to share my screen, and then you want to select the Google Chrome right here, go live. And if I try to play my Netflix video now, as you're about to see, it works. So you can see our video is playing. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.